I am now going to take you through the RF Activity Interface Reporting Dashboard, which is the replacement of the PI Award interface. From my sign-in screen, I'm going to select the dashboard drop-down list of values, and I will select RF Activity Interface Reporting. It is all tab-based, and you will see the functions that you are familiar with today. Administrative Inquiry, APT Inquiry, Accounts Payable Inquiry, Purchase Order Inquiry, Requisition Inquiry, People Inquiry, Accounts Receivable, Cash, and your monthly summary reports. One of the new tabs we have added is the Alert tab, which provides some of the key monitoring information based upon feedback that we've received that people would like to see up front and know about. And what you can see is we have employees terminating, new person assigned on a grant, new awards created within the last 30 days, what reports are past due or outstanding to sponsors, my awards that are terming in the next 90 days, my projects that are terming, and what reports are coming due on my awards. All you need to do is select the plus button and it will open and expand, and you will get your list of data that will show you this information. One of the features you will notice we have consistently done is anywhere we are showing award or award project task information, we are showing you the days remaining based upon the end date and the system date, and we are showing you the direct spent based upon the budget and the expenditures. As you can see in the list, we will show you your encumbrance and then your available balance. And if you have a payroll encumbrance and shortage, there would be a dollar amount that would display there, and you could drill down to see the detail. The standard administrative inquiry screen that you are used to today, we have added more search criteria so you could return a list in a fashion that you may be looking for on that particular day. So maybe I want to see all of my federal at-risk awards. I will select the award type of federal, at-risk, select the OK button, and a list will be returned. And from here I can drill on the award number to get the standard award administrative inquiry that you are used to today in the PI award interface. What we have added on this summary screen is we are showing you your active installment amounts, how much out of those installments have you actually funded for projects and tasks, and what is the budget amount. APT Inquiry, we have the standard search criteria that you have to, and we've added some additional criteria, the ability to search by award type, the ability to search by award classification. Maybe I want my agency awards, my campus royalties, maybe I just want my sponsored program data, and maybe I only want the active ones, or maybe I want the at-risk ones. Maybe I want sponsored programs for a particular sponsor. Just select and fill out the prompts and click the OK button and the list will return. In this scenario here, I am going to do a search just upon one award. And one of the new features you will see is in regards to the dollar fields, we have a drop-down list of views that you can select from. We are defaulting to the standard. I want to see the total, direct and indirect. So the columns to the right for current budget is your direct and indirect total, your expense, encumbrance, your available balance. But maybe I only want to see my direct costs, so I will change this view to direct cost only, and my dollars will change and my direct spent will change based upon the view that I have selected. We still have the standard drill down capabilities that you are used to. I will drill down on the available balance, and as you can see, it returns the award summary inquiry screen that you are used to in PI award interface, with the ability to drill down on the categories to see the individual expenditure encumbrance detail. One thing you will notice on the export options, you have more than one selection. I could select PDF, Excel, PowerPoint, or any type of data file, and it will nicely export the data as you see on the screen into the selection chosen so that you could send that report or this information off to whoever you may need to. On the APT Inquiry screen, as we scroll down, we have the Project Award Inquiry, which you have today, and then we have Project Task Award Inquiry. And then we have your expenditure detail by monthly date range, which you have today. But we have also added the ability to search just for subcontract information based upon the purchase order or the expenditure being in the subaward category. So if I wanted to see my current active subcontracts with Cornell University, I would select Cornell University, hit the OK button, and it would return a summary based upon PTA and show the expenses and encumbrances with that particular vendor. Or maybe I just want to see all subcontracts on open awards for my campus location. I would enter my location code, hit the OK button, and the data would return. Accounts Payable Inquiry, the very first portlet is the portlet that you are used to in PIAI with the search criteria of award, project task, invoice number, vendor name. We have also added the ability to search based upon the accounts payable approval status. So maybe I want to see all my invoices that are on hold. I could do that just by selecting the drop-down list and selecting invoices that are not validated or in a validated status. The second portlet we have added is the ability to search for payment information. Maybe I want to know if a check to a particular vendor has been sent and on a particular AP invoice, or just search for all my payments made in the month of March. I could enter my date range, click the OK button, and you will be returned a list of payments made with the appropriate AP invoice number processed. We have also added a vendor invoice summary. So here you have the ability to search for all payments made to a particular vendor for a certain time frame, or a particular vendor for a particular project PI, award PI, or just for my campus, or on a particular award project task. We have also added the accounts payable invoices where vendor e-verify information is not on file. So you would enter your campus location code, click the OK button, and a list of vendor invoices where the e-verify information is not on file and the award is subject to e-verify. Purchase order inquiry, we have the standard purchase order search criteria. We have also added the PO approval status that you could also search on. The second portlet, we have the open purchase orders with active encumbrances, because maybe I'm getting ready to close out that award and I need to see what open purchase orders are on that award, on the award project task, or for a particular vendor. You enter your information. You can enter one to many in these prompts, click the OK button, and the information will return. We have the standard requisition inquiry function for the schools that use Oracle's eRec system. People inquiry, we have the standard search criteria that you have today to find all people in their payroll distribution charges based upon employee, award project task. We have added the ability to also search for a particular PI, a particular department, or by expenditure category, and for a date range. And it will return the list of those people with drill down ability to see the detail. One of the new features we've added is the ability to see labor schedule information just based upon a search. So maybe I want to see all the labor schedules on an award. I could enter the award, hit the OK button, and the data would return showing me the labor schedule start and end date, the employee, their assignment status, and the percent of their labor schedule. We also added the ability just to search for monthly payroll expenditures by person. So you need the ability to see on a monthly basis how much has been processed for a person. Across all awards, you could select the employee name or the employee number, input the date, and the data will return. For those of you that are responsible for monitoring your payroll suspense award, we have also added where you enter your campus location code and the list of people remaining in suspense and the amount of charges remaining in suspense will return. Accounts receivable inquiry, we have added more search criteria than what you have today, and we also provide the ability on the balance due for the user to choose the selection that they would like. Maybe they would like greater than a certain amount, maybe they would like less than a certain amount, and to display all those invoices. We have also added where I could enter just my campus, I could enter an award, a particular sponsor, or any combination to see all outstanding accounts receivable invoices that have not been paid and the award is past its term date, and we show the aging of those invoices. Cash receipt inquiry. Similar to the accounts receivable inquiry, we have added the ability for the user to change the amount applied that they're searching on. And as stated earlier, you can enter one, maybe just for an award. Maybe I want to see all cash receipts for a particular organization, a sponsored, by a date range. Enter your data and the list will be returned. We have also added a cash position list, which will show, based upon the data that you've entered, the cash position with the award PI, the start and end dates, and the cash position of budget versus cash and expenditures versus cash, to get an idea of where you're at with your awards. The monthly summary inquiry tab is where you will retrieve your monthly award summary reports, your monthly project summary reports, and it will default in the current month, but you have the ability to change your month end date, or maybe I want all MASs on a particular award. I can limit this data and change this search criteria. Your standard PDF link for your MAS report will be to the right. You will select that and the MAS report will open up in PDF as you have today. We have also added a monthly expenditure trend tab, which just provides an expenditure trending of how much you've spent per month on maybe a particular award, or maybe you want to see by PI, or for a particular category. In this scenario, I am going to show you just for a particular award for a 2-month time frame. Click the apply button, and as you can see, it will provide per month what was spent in the particular categories, and with a total on the end. We have this at the project level ability, and then we also have this information at the task level. It's very easy and efficient to go from tab to tab. If I want to go to a particular other tab, I can do so. If I want to go back to APT Inquiry, I can do so. The one thing that I would like to point out also is your export abilities. You have more than one. That has concluded our session on the demo of the RF Activity Interface Reporting Dashboard. We hope you have liked what you've seen, and we can't wait to roll this out to you in the near future. Thank you.